Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so we're at PHLOEN CHIT station. And we're gonna do some walking. So we're gonna see where these go and then we're just gonna keep walking west. So PHLOEN CHIT. Just for reference points, this is one station away from Nana. And you also have these walkways as well here. So let's see how far we can go and then we'll see what we can see. I'm going to turn the camera on and off a little bit, but actually you can definitely see that it goes the ways and it goes into little tributaries like that one. That one had that pass over there. Actually, this might be an interesting place as well to go to some embassies like that. Join the squad. Take it in here. So we're gonna get down there and start walking. Actually, I'm gonna walk on the other side because it's a shade. So we're walking down these. Got my sunglasses on. And that's basically what you can see. That was what we were underneath. So yeah, Bangkok has some pretty cool stuff basically. So you can walk. And that's, I was kind of listening to this theme on this train line. There's a lot of these kind of things where you can walk underneath and go for a ways. Same here too. Now we're gonna walk down and just gonna do a lot of exploring. It's fun. These telephone lines, eh? Okay, right there, Embassy of Vietnam and New Zealand Embassy. Embassy in Switzerland. So I guess a lot of embassies in this area. So we're just gonna walk and see what we see. Actually, today is going to be pretty good because I have my stick. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see it's like a little stick right there, so you can see that I can move around the camera and have some flexibility. And I want to take a look at this tree right here. Hello. I like this. This is yeah. So I like how they give respect to the trees like that. Yeah, I like it. They have it has like a lot of respect. So I'll see you guys later. Yeah, actually, that's like a sign of, those are actually for the spirits, you know, like each living thing, including trees, have a spirit to them, you know, something that gives them life and gives them breath. So the Thais just happen to be very aware of it, much more aware of it than other people, so they show respect to those, especially the old banyan trees, you know, those have been around a long time. And they're quite beautiful too, so I really respect Thai culture and the way they, there's a little bar area, wine and bridge. I'm gonna throw away this little pamphlet that he gave me. Sorry, guy. But you're gonna be on YouTube, so maybe somebody can benefit from that anyways. Bangkok Smile. Dentist. So okay, so we're gonna keep walking. And actually it's kind of cool. Those two are two like autistic foreigner boys. I know they're autistic because I have an autistic son myself, so it's a little aside about me anyways. Okay. As you can see, we're still pretty close to the station, but I like how they have this kind of stuff. And right here there's a train station information, and then kind of typical, you know, Bangkok is built on canals and all this stuff, so this right here is kind of typical. Okay, let's see. If you want to get across, you just go over like that. So someone put a lot of thought into certain things. Like these brooms as well. Do the same in Macau, they just kind of place them somewhere where they can access them easily. They don't have to transport them back and forth because they use them all enough anyways. Looks like this area is a lot more office buildings and such. Thanks. And actually I've been to conclude right here because we're already at our next stop right here. So actually that was a pretty short little walk. I didn't realize how small these stations were apart, which makes it more convenient, I guess, for people. So we actually just walked out within like 5 minutes. So actually, you know, the other time, these other videos I walked, I think I walked from All Nut all the way here. So you'll see those videos. You probably already saw them. They should be up by now by the time you see this particular video. I'm kind of behind on the videos, so. And I was thinking about maybe trying to walk all the way over. Sorry, this is the river. Trying to walk over here somewhere. Might go up to these ones. We'll see. Ours, another area that I heard is pretty interesting these days. So that completes that one. PHLOEN is going to be next, so tune in for that. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da